Hi, my name's Paul Dolly. I'm a senior studying civil engineering from Crown Point, Indiana. I'm going to talk a little bit about my research experiences here at Purdue, and I hope that you guys can maybe gain something from hearing about my experience. So I've held two big research positions. So one was this past summer. I was a part of a program called the Discovery Park Undergraduate Research Internship. So I worked 40 hours a week on campus at Purdue for 10 weeks. I was working on a team that was partnered through a partnership between Purdue and a university in southern Peru, and we were working on sustainable watershed management. So specifically, I worked with some modeling softwares to model the stream flows in some of the major rivers in that Peruvian region, and then look at different biological indicators to make a model that predicted water quality throughout that river that they use as like a main agricultural source of water. So it was actually really interesting. I worked with our Peruvian collaborators a lot, just via email, and then actually through a 2-week data collection trip that we took there in the middle of the summer. So that was a really awesome cultural experience as well as research experience, being able to see how other cultures conduct research, and then also work closely with them on important issues that I'm interested in. And I really enjoyed that. I thought it was a very good use of my summer, and it inspired what I want to do for what I'm pursuing in graduate school next year. So my other big research experience is with the Purdue Policy Research Institute on campus. That's affiliated with Discovery Park also. And what I do with that is policy research. So I'm in civil engineering, but a lot of the research that I do is kind of at the intersection of policy and civil engineering. So this past year, I did research on the policy landscape of connected and autonomous vehicles in various states throughout the United States. And then I got to present that research at the Purdue Road School conference a few months ago. So that was in front of a lot of industry professionals in the transportation engineering industry. So that was a really cool experience. I've also worked on the Space Policy Certificate program for the Purdue's Cislunar Initiative. So we were looking at how can we give Purdue engineering students more of a policy background to work on space issues. Then I also worked on planning a nuclear deterrence workshop in collaboration between Purdue and Sandia National Labs. So I've had some varied experiences. I think they've both given me different perspectives on some of the things that I'm interested in. And it just is barely scratching the surface on the research opportunities that are available at Purdue. So, I encourage you to look more into the other research opportunities, look at professors' pages. But that's a little bit about my experience. Thanks, guys.